Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfi Fernando with NPM 223120093, class IF 22B in Strategy and Algorithm Analysis course. This time, I will discuss material about types of asymptotic time complexity. Before discussing further what is meant by time complexity, what is meant by time complexity? Time complexity is a measure of how quickly an algorithm takes to solve a problem with a certain input size. Big O notation is used to express asymptotic time complexity, which represents the upper bound of the time required by the algorithm. Why does time complexity matter? Time complexity is very important in software development because it can affect the performance and efficiency of the program being created. Here are some reasons why time complexity is important in programming, determining algorithm efficiency by understanding time complexity. Developer can choose the most efficient algorithm for a particular task. More efficient algorithm can complete tasks quickly and use fewer resources. Determining resource requirement: the more complex a program or function, the more resources are required to run it. If available resources are limited, complex program or function might not run smoothly. Optimizing application performance: by analyzing the time complexity of algorithm, developer can estimate the time required to complete a task, select approach algorithm, and optimize overall application performance. Choosing the right algorithm and understanding of time complexity can help developers choose the most appropriate algorithm for a particular task. More efficient algorithm can complete tasks quick and use fewer resources. Time complexity of an algorithm is a measure of how quickly an algorithm takes to solve a problem with a certain input size. Time complexity is measured by the number of computational steps required to run the algorithm as a function of the input size n. There are two types of the time complexity, named worst time complexity and average time complexity. Time complexity is usually expressed as a function of the input size and is measured asymptotically, that is, by considering the growth of the algorithm as the input size approaches infinity. An understanding of time complexity is critical in software development because it can help developers choose the most efficient algorithm for a particular task, estimate the time required to complete a task, and optimize overall application performance. There are several types of asymptotic time complexity that are commonly used in algorithm analysis. Some of these include big notation. This notation is used to describe the upper bound of the time complexity of an algorithm. For example, O(n) means the time complexity of the algorithm is linear. Omega. This notation is used to describe the lower bound of the time complexity of an algorithm. For example, Omega means the linear time complexity. Theta. This is notation is used to describe the exact time complexity. For example, theta means the algorithm time complexity is linear and neither better nor worse than that, nor little. This is notation describes a strict upper bound of time complexity usually used to describe excellent performance. For example, null means the algorithm has a time complexity better than linear. Omega smile. This is notation describes a strict lower bound of time complexity used to describe very poor performance. For example, means the algorithm has a time complexity worse than linear. Other notations, apart from the notation mentioned above, there are special notations such as logarithmic notation, exponential notation, and so on, depending on the type of complexity one wants to describe. Each of these types of notation provides a different way to describe the performance of an algorithm in relation to the input size, and using this notation we can understand how efficient or bad an algorithm is at handling different types of input. Maybe this is just a discussion of material about types of asymptotic time complexity. If there are shortcomings and errors when explaining material, please forgive. Thank you.